riders on the storm. Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown, like a dog without a bone.
Well, you wake up in the morning, you hear the work bell ring, and I march you to the table. You see the same old thing. Ain't no food upon the table. There's no fork up in the pan. But you better not complain, boy. You get in trouble with the man. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a ever-loving light on me.
Roll one for the road, and let's roll it out. Nothing but open road up ahead, that's what it's all about. Lord knows I've done my share of good, Lord knows I've sinned. I'll kick him if you got him, let's put him in the wind. If I die tonight, go find love. If I die tonight, well then I'll leave you this song, and you can sing this song when you find love. Wanna light up the sky tonight, when moonshine and dynamite collide. Sweet angels lose to the demons inside my head. May I be 40 days in heaven before the devil knows I'm dead. 'Cause when you're gone, take it all, leave nothing behind. Let's crank some AC/DC and throw down till we're
man says it's the end of time, and the Mississippi River, she's a going dry. The interest is up and the stock market's down, and you only get mugged if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see, my woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and our own smoke too. Ain't too many things these old boys can't do. We grow good old tomatoes and homemade wine, and country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. Because you can't starve us out and you can't make us run. Those Muslim old boys raised on shotgun. We say grace, we say ma'am. If you ain't into that, we don't give a damn. We came from the West Virginia coal mines and the Rocky Mountains and the...
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial.
there you have it, boys and girls. That was our trip to Crotch Lake. That was some of the fish we caught. Like I say, sorry about the video quality. It was the best I could do. Hope you take a trip to Crotch Lake. Fantastic place. So shout out to the guys back home. My brother from another mother. You know, have fun, man. And be looking for some more videos for some Georgia bow fishing and Georgia bass fishing. Hopefully coming up this summer.